Hello there, welcome to our bathroom and welcome to another video, 2019, a series of last videos really. We've got this shower screen doors, you see it's running quite freely and glides really easy. But what happens is over time they stop gliding nice and easy and you think, why are they doing that? Basically, I'm going to state the obvious, there's some rollers here and here and they get mucky. In fact you can see some muck there basically. Yeah. The easiest way that I found to do, I'm just going to share this with you, is to buy these two products. We've got no affiliation with them. One's a plastic cleaner and one's a silicone spray. Yeah. And literally a good shake and just put that on your roller there and there. You get the idea. Bit of silicone. Move it round. Get your microfiber cloth and just give it, you can see it coming off now, the muck. See it? There, nice and clean that is. Whereas there, it's all mucky. So if I just wipe that, you can see how nice and clean that's come up. I'm not going to do it all because you get the idea. So clean that. That's for your plastic cleaner and your microfiber cloth. That's the best stuff we found, Tectane. I think it was from Tool Station. This.
It is, yeah.
And then you want your silicone spray, and you only need a little bit. Just put a little bit on the top so it runs down a little bit there. I mean, you can put it up brave, it won't hurt. In fact, this stuff is brilliant for cleaning chrome as well. Believe it or not, and protecting it, we found. So I've cleaned those, bit of silicone spray on.
And it glides real nice, don't it?
Yeah.
So
if you've got sticky rollers on your sliding shower door, you will need plastic cleaner, silicone spray and a rag. And just do what I did in the video. It takes a couple of minutes, perhaps once a month is a good housekeeping rule with this. Tool Station, can you remember how much these were? They weren't a fortune, were they? They're £4 or £5?
£3 or £4 a tin, but you get a lot of use out of them.
That'll probably last you a lifetime.
There are alternatives available, obviously.
Yeah, but this stuff will clean bin lids. This is good for
anything really.
Anything,
yeah.
Locks on patio doors and windows, and the same with this. Anyway, I hope that helps you if you've got the same problem that we had, just a dirty shower rollers, because we're doing some building work here still, and might help you solve a problem or make life a bit easier for yourself. Thank you.